Hi everybody. Today in this video I am going to solve some examples on Newton's forward and backward difference interpolating polynomial. So without wasting our time, let us move to the whiteboard. Examples. From the table of values below, compute dy by dx and d square y divided by dx square at x is equal to 1. The values for x are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the values for y are 1, 8, 27, 64, 125 and 216. Solution. So first we have to construct the difference table. To construct the difference table, first I will write the values for x, and the values for x are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Similarly, write down the values for y which are given. The values for y are 1, 8, 27, 64, 125 and 216. Now, from the given question, they are asked to find the value for first differentiation and second differentiation at the value of x is equal to 1. And the value of this x is equal to 1 which is nearer to the first value of x. So, which is nearer to the beginning end. So, therefore, we have to use Newton's forward difference interpolation formula. So, in table, I will use the forward formula, that is delta y. Second value is delta square y, third value is delta cube y and fourth value is delta raised to 4y. Now we have to construct the difference table by subtracting. Now second term minus first term, 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Similarly 27 minus 8 is equal to 19. Next 64 minus 27 is equal to 37. 125 minus 64 is equal to 61. And at last 216 minus 125 is equal to 91. Similarly, here 19 minus 7 is equal to 11. That is equal to 12. And then 37 minus 19 is equal to 18. Next 61 minus 37 is equal to 24. Next 91 minus 61 is equal to 30. Similarly 18 minus 12. 18 minus 12 is equal to 6. 24 minus 18 is also equal to 6. 30 minus 24 is also equal to 6. At last 6 minus 6 is 0 and 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Now here first we have to find dy by dx at x is equal to 1. For this I will write xp. First find the value for p. So p is equal to, formula is xp minus x naught divided by h, and xp value which is given, that is 1, minus x naught value, the first value of x and the first value of x is 1, divided by h is the difference between the two consecutive values of h from table 2 minus 1. This 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. You can take any value, any two consecutive values. So 6 minus 5 is also equal to 1. Therefore, the value of h is equal to 1. And if you simplify this, you will get 0 divided by 1, and 0 divided by 1 is equal to 0. Now, by Newton's first forward difference interpolation formula, we have, so I will write here the first Newton's forward difference formula. So that is f dash of xp is equal to 1 divided by h into bracket delta y naught plus 2p minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus 3p square minus 6p plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into delta cube y naught. I will write the formula only up to delta cube y naught because from table the fourth difference value is equal to 0. Now substitute the values. So f dash of xp value, that is 1, which is asked. 1 divided by h value is 1. From the table, write down the forward values. I will write the forward values. So this is delta y naught, this is delta square y naught, this is delta cube y naught, and this is delta raised to 4 y naught. Just I will write here, this is delta y naught, delta square y naught, 6 is delta cube y naught, and 0 is delta raised to 4 y naught. So these are the leading forward values. So you have to substitute from the table. Delta y naught value is equal to 7 plus, we know that from the above the value of p is equal to 0, and if p is equal to 0 means you will get 2 into 0 is equal to 0 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial is 2. Delta square y naught from the table you can write it as 12 plus, next 3 into 0 is 0 plus minus 6 into 0 is 0 plus 2 divided by 3 factorial is 6, and from table delta cube y naught value is also equal to 6. In this case we have to substitute the value for p is equal to 0, so we are left with only 2, and if you simplify you will get 7 here. 2 ones are and 2 6 are means 6 into this is equal to minus 1. 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1, and minus 1 into 6 is equal to minus 6. Similarly, this 6 and 6 get cancelled. 0 minus 0 plus 2 is equal to 2, and total if you simplify you will get 3. So this is f dash of 1 means it is dy by dx at point x is equal to 1, which is the required solution for dy by dx at x is equal to 1. Now in second case we have to find the value for d square y divided by dx square at again x is equal to 1. So the value of xp remains same. So in this case also that implies p is equal to xp minus x naught divided by h. Xp value is 1, x naught value the first value of x, and h is the difference. So on simplifying again you will get 0. So in this case also the value of p is equal to 0. Therefore by Newton's second forward difference formula we have. So I will write the formula for the Newton's second forward difference formula, that is F double dash of xp is equal to 1 divided by h square into bracket delta square y naught plus p minus 1 into delta cube y naught. So in this case also I have written the formula only up to delta cube y naught, as the table ends with delta raised to 4 y naught, where the fourth difference value is equal to 0. Now substitute the values, you will get, so this is 1 divided by h value is 1 and 1 square is 1 divided by delta square y naught. From table we can write it as 12 plus this p value is equal to 0. Now I will write directly 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 into delta cube y naught. From table we can write it as 6, and if you simplify, total you will get 6, because 12 minus 6 is equal to 6, and this is d square y divided by dx square at x is equal to 1, which is the required solution. Second example, I will write the question. Construct an interpolating polynomial and hence find f dash of 1 and f double dash of 3 for the following data. The values for x are 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Similarly, the values for y are 7, 13, 43, 145 and 367. These are the values for y. Solution. The values for x are 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, and the values for y are 7, 13, 43, 145 and 367. So in this example, we have to find the value for f dash 1, and 1 is nearer to the first value of x. Similarly, f dash of 3. F dash of 3 is also nearer to the first value of x, because towards the right hand side we have 3 values and towards the left hand side we have two values. Therefore 1 and 3 both are nearer to the first end of x. Therefore in this case we have to use the forward difference formula. So here I will write delta y, second value is delta square y, third value is delta cube y, and fourth value is delta raised to 4y. Now first construct the difference table. 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. Similarly, 43 minus 13 is equal to 30. 145 minus 43 is equal to 102. And 367 minus 145 is equal to 222. Similarly, 30 minus 6 is equal to 24. 102 minus 30 is equal to 72, and 222 minus 102 is equal to 120. Next, 72 minus 24 is equal to 48. 120 minus 72 is also equal to 48, and at last 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. We know that to construct the difference table, we have to use the second term minus first term. So in this case, the values y is equal to 7, delta y naught is equal to 6, delta square y naught is equal to 24, delta cube y naught is equal to 48, and delta raised to 4 y naught is equal to 0. They are called as the leading forward values. So I will write here, this is the value for y naught, this is delta y naught, next 24 is delta square y naught, 48 is delta cube y naught, and this 0 is delta raised to 4 y naught. So here first we have to construct an interpolating polynomial, and to construct interpolating polynomial, first we have to find the value for p, and p formula is given by xp minus x naught divided by h. But to construct the interpolating polynomial, we can take xp value is equal to x only, and x naught is the first value of x, that is 0, and h is the difference between the two consecutive values of x. So 2 minus 0 is equal to 2, 6 minus 4 is also equal to 2, 8 minus 6 is also equal to 2, or you can take 4 minus 2 is also equal to 2. So therefore from table the value of h is equal to 2. So I will write here 2. So the value of p is equal to x divided by 2. By Newton's interpolation formula, we have, so in this case I will write Newton's interpolation formula, not difference formula. So that is f of xp is equal to y naught plus p into delta y naught plus p into p minus 1 divided by 2 factorial delta square y naught plus p minus 1 into p minus 2 divided by 3 factorial delta cube y naught. I will write the formula only up to delta cube y naught, because the table ends with delta raised to 4y, whose value is equal to 0. Now substitute the values. So this is equal to y naught value from table, we can write it as 7, plus p value is x by 2 into delta y naught value is 6, plus next p value is x by 2, p minus 1 value is x by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial is 2, and delta square y naught from table you can write it as 24, plus now p value is x by 2, p minus 1 value is x by 2 minus 1, and p minus 2 value is x by 2 minus 2 divided by 3 factorial is 6, and delta cube y naught value is equal to 48, and this is equal to, I will write 7 plus, here this 2 1s are and 2 3s are get cancelled, so here we are left with 3x plus, now x by 2 I will write as it is, x by 2 I will write as it is. Next bracket is x by 2 minus 1 is x minus 2 divided by 2, and here 2 1s are and 2 12s are get cancelled, so we are left with 12 plus. Now in last term I will write x by 2 as it is. Next x by 2 minus 1 is x minus 2 divided by 2 you will get. And x minus 2 by 2 is x minus 4 divided by 2. And 6 ones are and 6 8s are get cancelled. So here you will get 8. This is equal to 7 plus 3x plus. Now x into x minus 2 is x square minus 2x divided by 2 into 2 is 4 into this 12 plus. Here also x into x minus 2 into x minus 4 divided by 2 into 2 into 2 is 8 and this is 8. So total this 4 ones are and 4 threes are, and in last term 8 and 8 get cancelled, so that we are left with, so this is 7 plus 3x plus. Now multiplying x square into 3 is 3x square, and next x square minus 2x into 3 is minus 6x plus. Now if you simplify this, x into x minus 2 is x square minus 2x, bracket complete, x minus 4 write as it is. This is equal to 7 plus 3x plus 3x square minus 6x plus. Simplify this, x square into x is x cube, x square into minus 4 minus 4x square, minus 2x into x minus 2x square, and minus 2x into minus 4 is plus 8x is equal to. Now collect the term containing x cube. The term containing x cube is only one term, so I will write that is x cube. Next, collect the term containing x square. The term containing x square are 3x square minus 4x square minus 6x 2x square. So total minus 6x square plus 3x square is plus minus 3x square minus 3x square. Now collect the term containing x, and the term containing x are 3x minus 6x and plus 8x. So total 3x minus 6x is minus 3x and plus 8x is plus 5x. So that is plus 5x, and constant term, it has only one constant term, that is plus 7. So this is the required interpolating polynomial. Now we have to find the value for f dash of 1 and f double dash of 3. So first we have to find f dash of x. F dash of x is equal to, if we differentiate, you will get 3x square minus 6x plus 5, and now put x is equal to 1. That implies f dash of 1 is equal to, put x is equal to 1 here, so 3 into 1 is 3 minus 6 into 1 is 6 and plus 5, and total you will get this is equal to 2. Now to find the value for f double dash of 3, you have to differentiate f dash of x. If you differentiate f dash of x, f double dash of x, and differentiation of this 3x square, differentiation of 3x square is equal to 6x. Differentiation of minus 6x is equal to minus 6. And now put x is equal to 3. So f double dash of 3 is equal to 6 into 3 is 18 minus 6, and 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. So these are the values for f dash of 1 and f double dash of 3 by using interpolating polynomial.